Hey everyone, it's Nurse Sarah with RegisteredNurseRN.com, and in this video I want to give you 3 nursing job interview tips that you want to remember before you set for that interview. The first thing is that you want to make sure that you have prepped for those tricky interview questions that you may be asked, because it's not uncommon for nurse managers to ask you about these hypothetical nursing situations you may encounter on their unit. So if you are interviewing for a certain specialty or a specific nursing unit, you want to go back and you want to research what kind of patients this unit's going to be getting. For example, let's say you're interviewing for a neuro floor and they mainly focus on stroke care. You want to make sure you go back and review that NIH stroke scale, medications used for stroke patients, testing, and so forth. Next, you want to make sure that you do a quick social media cleanup. And what I mean by this is that it's not uncommon for some nurse managers before they interview you to go and look you up on social media to get an idea about what kind of person you are. So you want to make sure that your social media account represents who you actually are and that you don't have anything too offensive or something that may turn off a potential employer. And then lastly, you want to rehearse. So make sure you're going back and that you're practicing some of those common interview questions. And I have a video on some of those common interview questions you may expect to give. And you want to take time to think of how you might respond to these common questions and then rehearse it a few times so it comes out naturally. You don't want some copy and paste answer. Instead, consider how you can look back at your own unique qualities, talents, and experiences and answer those questions in your own unique way. Now, as you are preparing for your interview, trying to get that job, and maybe you're brushing up your resume, well, on my website, I have some free or premium resume templates that you can access in the YouTube description below via a link. Okay, so I hope those interview tips help you out, and best of luck with that interview.